And we are back with
the Weather Network.
Woo! And our next natural disaster is
Volcanoes.
volcanoes. Okay. Well, anyway, I'm just gonna say the first few words because that's my job. So I'm just gonna say these, and then Matt's gonna say them. Okay. Volcanoes are a vent in Earth's crust through which lava, steam, and ashes are expelled either
continuously or irregularly.
Intervals.
And
And that's volcanoes for you. And we even have a little graph that you can, look
at a volcano.
So just follow us.
This volcano, right now, happens to be exploding in my home.
From a computer. Well, anyway, as you can see, right here is the chimney. Right here is the chimney principal, and right here, actually, this is all French. So I can't really see anything.